Good morning, students. Welcome to your online classes. Today we are going to start the last topic of this chapter, that is estimation. Estimation in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have already done rounding of numbers in the previous chapter. We use this concept in estimation also. See, first of all, how to round off nearest 10. In order to round off a number to the nearest 10, look at the digit at ones place. जब भी हम किसी भी नंबर को nearest 10 राउंड ऑफ करते हैं तो हम उसकी ones place वाली डिजिट देखते हैं. If it is more than or equal to 5, then increase the digit at 10th place by 1 and place 0 at the ones place. अगर हमारी ones place वाली डिजिट ग्रेटर देन 5 या इक्वल टू 5 होती है तो हम 10th प्लेस वाली डिजिट में 1 ऐड कर देते हैं और वंस प्लेस को 0 से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ लेस देन 5 देन रिप्लेस 1 डिजिट बाय 0 कीपिंग ऑल द डिजिट्स सेम. अगर हमारी वंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट्स 5 से कम होती है तो हम वंस वाली डिजिट को 0 कर देते हैं और बाकी डिजिट्स हमारी सेम रहती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 453. Here 3 is in ones place and it is less than 5, so we will replace 3 by 0 and remaining digits will remain same. See one more example, 216. Now here 6 is in ones place and it is greater than 5, so we will add 1 in the tens place, it is 220 and ones place replaced by 0. Now see one more example. Estimate nearest tens. 21 multiplies 78. First of all, calculate the actual multiplication. You have to calculate both actual and estimation. First of all, calculate the actual multiplication. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Now cross. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Now add both the numbers. 8. 6 plus 7 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 and 1. This is our actual multiplication. Now calculate the estimation. Now here 1 is in ones place and it is less than 5, so the estimation of 21 is 20. Now 78, 8 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the tens place, it becomes 80. Now multiply both the digits. 0 zeros are 0, 0 twos are 0, multiply 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16. The answer of estimate multiplication is 1600. Now see how to round off nearest 100. In order to round off a number to the nearest 100, look at the digit at tens place. जब हम nearest 100 round off करते हैं तो हम tens place को देखते हैं. If it is more than equal to 5, then increase the digit at the 100 place by 1 and place 0 at the tens and ones place. अगर हमारी tens place वाली digit greater than 5 है तो हम 100 place पे 100 प्लेस को 1 से इंक्रीज करेंगे और वंस और टेंस को 0 से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. इफ़ इट इज़ लेस देन 5 देन रिप्लेस द टेंस एंड वंस डिजिट बाय कीपिंग ऑल द डिजिट्स सेम. अगर हमारी टेंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट लेस देन 5 है तो हम टेंस और वंस प्लेस पर 0 लगा देंगे. सी एग्जाम्पल 316. नाउ 1 इज़ इन टेंस प्लेस एंड इट इज़ लेस देन 5, सो इट इज़ 300. Now see example 494. Here 9 is in tens place and it is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the 100 place, it is 5, and replace ones and tens digit by 0, so it becomes 500. Now see example. Estimate nearest 100. 6692 minus 845. Start from the ones place. 5 4 8. Now subtract both the numbers. 5 can't be subtracted from 2, so we take borrow from 9, it will be 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Here it becomes 8. 8 minus 4 4. 8 can't be subtracted from 6, so we take borrow from 6, it becomes 16 and it becomes 5. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 and 5 as it is. This is our actual difference. Now we will calculate the estimated difference. How we will calculate? Our number is 6692 and we see the tens place and it is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the 100 place. It is 6700. Now 845. Here 4 is in tens place and it is less than 5, so its round off is 800. Now subtract both the numbers 0, 0. 8 can't be subtracted from 7, so we take borrow from 6. It becomes 6, 17 and it becomes 5. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 and here it is 5. It is the estimated difference. Now see how to round off nearest 1000. In order to round off a nearest number to the nearest 1000, look at the digit at 100 place. जब भी हम nearest 1000 राउंड ऑफ करते हैं तो हम 100 प्लेस वाली डिजिट्स को देखते हैं. इफ इट इज़ मोर देन 5 और इक्वल टू 5 देन इंक्रीज द डिजिट एट द 1000 प्लेस बाय 1 एंड प्लेस 0 एट द 100 टेंस एंड वंस प्लेस. अगर हमारी 100 प्लेस वाली डिजिट इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन 5 होती है तो हम 1000 प्लेस में 1 इंक्रीज कर देते हैं और वंस टेंस 100 प्लेस को 0 से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. If it is less than 5 then replace the 100 tens and ones digit by 0 keeping all the digits same. अगर 100 प्लेस वाली डिजिट्स हमारी लेस देन 5 होती है तो हम 100 टेंस और वंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट को 0 से रिप्लेस कर देंगे और बाकी सारी डिजिट्स हमारी सेम रहेंगी. सी एग्जाम्पल 4365. Here 3 is in 100 place and it is less than 5. So we will replace all 3 digits by 0. It is 4000. Now see one more example 2819. Now here 8 is in the 100 place and it is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the 1000 place. So it is 3000. Clear? Now see example. Estimate nearest 1000. First of all find the actual sum. The first number is 5000. First of all write the greater number. The greater number is 16960. Then write the smallest number 0815. Now add both the numbers 0. 8 plus 6 14. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry. 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 2. 1 carry 2. This is our actual sum. Now we will calculate the estimated sum. First of all calculate the estimated value 5180. Sorry, first of all write the greater number 16960 and we have to round off nearest 1000. So we will see the 100 place. It is 9 and greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the 1000 place. It becomes 17,000. 5180. Here 1 is in 100 place and it is less than 5, so we replace 1's tens and 100 place by 0. It is 5000. Now subtract both the numbers 0 0 0. 7 minus 5 2. Sorry, plus both the numbers 7 plus 5 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. It is 22,000. Now see one more example. Estimate the quotient. In this question it is not given in which we have estimate in 100, tens or 1000. So we will estimate according to the number. Here it is 1995. So we will estimate it nearest 1000. When we will estimate nearest 1000, we will see the 100 place and it is greater than 9. So nearest 1000 is 2000. 207. Now estimate it nearest 100. So it is 0 less than 5, so it becomes 200. Now divide both the numbers. 200 ones are 200 and 0. It is 10. Now see word problems. 29 bags of sugar weighs 3105 किलोग्राम. एस्टिमेट द वेट ऑफ 1 बैग ऑफ शुगर. हमारे पास 29 बैग्स का वेट गिवन है, वो है 3105 और हमें कैलकुलेट करना है 1 बैग का. जब भी हम 1 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो उस क्वेश्चन में हम डिवाइड करते हैं. So the statement is wait, first of all estimate both the numbers 29 and it is 29. Estimate it nearest tens. So 9 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the tens place, it becomes 30. 3105. We will estimate it nearest 1000. So it is, we see the 100 place and it is less than 5, so it becomes 3000. So our statement is weight of 30 bags of sugar is equal to 3000 and weight of 1 bag of sugar is equal to 3000 divided by 30. Now divide both the numbers. 30 ones are 30, 0 0 0 0. The answer is 100. Now see one more example of word problem. A car costs rupees 4,12,046. Estimate the cost of 8 such cars. In this question we will multiply the numbers. First of all, calculate the estimate numbers. First number is 4,12,046. So we will calculate it nearest 10,000. So for this we have to see the 1000 place and it is less than 5, so the estimate number is 4,10,000. 8. Now this is 8. 8 will remain same. Now the statement is estimated cost of 1 car is equal to 4,10,000. Estimated cost of 8 car is equal to 4,10,000 multiply 8. So multiply it, 4,10,000 multiply 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 32. In this way you can estimate in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If in question it is not given, then in which you have to estimate in tens, 100,000 or 10,000, you can estimate according to the number. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.